Welcome back. Modern medicine hasn't always been so modern. Our practice is the product of generations of knowledge fueled by the testing of new treatments and technology. At one point, almost all research was through academic medical centers and medical schools. Even though this is still very common, more and more community physicians and hospitals are engaged in the trials and the research that will shape the future of medicine. I got a chance to talk with the physicians at Retina Associates of Kentucky to see how they are driving healthcare and the future of medicine. Dr. Belinda Shirky prides herself as a retina surgeon and specialist, but she also plays a key role in the future of retina care as the coordinator of research for Retina Associates of Kentucky.
A retina specialist can be both academic by nature and work in a private practice. At Retina Associates of Kentucky, our interest in research dates to the late 1980s when we were investigating laser therapy for histoplasmosis. We want to be able to take the best care that we can of patients. And good research requires good data. Retina Associates of Kentucky is able to provide this good data because we're a group of retina-only surgeons and we value the research. So why do we value the research? Well, we value the research because it helps patients. We value the research because we want to provide not only the standard of care for our patients, but the cutting-edge, excellent care that is available. And we can do this by our involvement in clinical trials and research.
One of their main areas of focus is the growing cases of macular degeneration.
Trials to test new drugs in both the area of wet macular degeneration but also diabetic macular edema. It's the most common reason for people in America to lose vision if you're over the age of 50. Approximately 3 million patients will be treated for macular degeneration just this year. And it is the leading expense for Medicare in the eye field is treatment for macular degeneration. So it is a prevalent and affects many patients.
Macular degeneration is common among the elderly, and as our baby boomer population ages, the numbers will continue to grow. The key to treatment is early identification and prevention.
So they lose the ability to read or lose the ability to see people's facial expressions and lose the ability to drive. The blurring in the center or distortion or dark spots in the center, those are the common presenting features of macular degeneration. The best way that you can decrease your risk for macular degeneration is to not smoke. Eating a healthy diet and exercising also are shown to be preventative. A lot of it has to do with prevention or catching the disease at its early stage. If you are going to get macular degeneration, even if you do everything correctly, it may be genetically programmed in your eyes to have that disease. And in those cases, the best thing to do is to get regular checkups with your eye care doctor and also to watch out for any distortion or blurriness of your central vision, because macular degeneration will typically affect only the center of the vision and not the periphery.
Their research is focusing on the development of new drugs and surgical treatments that will hopefully revolutionize the treatment of macular degeneration. The key is that in order to have a trial, you have to have patients willing to be involved. Dr. Shirky explains why many of their patients choose to participate in research.
If you know that you're someone who helped develop or bring a new treatment to play, and we have several patients like that in our practice that were involved in a previous clinical trial, and they are our special patients, and they know that they are a part of something that's even bigger than just their particular eye, but the part of advancing of a new treatment.
So how can you get involved?
Your eye care specialist would recognize that there is a problem or the disease of diabetes or macular degeneration, and then they would send the patient to us, and all patients that are a part of our practice are potential candidates for a clinical trial. Mostly you just have to speak up that you would be interested in participating in a trial.
Next time you hear about the opportunity to participate in a medical trial or research, remember that you may have the opportunity to benefit from a new breakthrough and even benefit the care of countless patients that will come after you. More StantonMD coming right up. Don't go away.